Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming my first natural hair video. It's a really quick how I blow dry my hair video, and I hope y'all enjoy it. So I started off with my hair in this t-shirt from whenever I washed it, and when I took it down, the way I looked, I couldn't even handle myself. But anyways, I basically sectioned off the parts that I wasn't using at the moment, and then I used the same t-shirt that I used to dry my hair to like dab it. After that, I put in some coconut oil, but I really wouldn't suggest using that because it's like way too light. So if you have like a heat protectant or some kind of hair serum, that would be a lot better. So this is the blow dry I'm using. It's from Red by Kiss, and I'm also using a comb attachment for the blow dryer. Like if you have natural hair and you don't have a comb attachment for your blow dryer and you're still doing that whole thing wherever like you use the paddle brush in one hand and blow dry in the other, I don't know what you're doing with your life because you're making your life difficult for yourself. Trust me when I say that getting a comb attachment was like the best decision I've made as far as blow drying my hair goes, and it's like really quick and really simple, and to get your hair super straight. It doesn't leave like that hard crunchy feeling after. So yeah, I'm just gonna repeat that process throughout my entire head. So here I'm just repeating the process. I like dab away the excess water with the t-shirt, then I put in coconut oil, and then I just blow dry with the comb. I would suggest starting from the ends and working your way up like if you were regular combing your hair. It makes it a lot easier and it gives you a lot less breakage that way. So here I'm just finishing up the last section, and then that's it. This is like the finished result. It's dry, it's stretched, and I can do other stuff with it. But that's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Thumbs up this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye!